In this video, I am going to show you how to change the language in Google Chrome. Changing the language allows for a more personalized browsing experience and makes it easier for non-native speakers to navigate. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. So this is my channel and click on New tab. So once open the Google Chrome, click on three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. So click on it, scroll down and click on settings. So this is in the left sidebar, click on the language tab. So click on it. Under preferred language, you will see a list of available language. To add a new language, click on the add language button. So click on it and search your favorite language or scroll and choose it. So I search here uh, Spanish. So you can see Spanish this. So click on it and click on add. I choose this Spanish in America. Click on it and select add. So you can see Spanish Latin America are listed. If you want to make this language default in Chrome, so click on the three dots and click on display Chrome in this language. So this is listed default language and click on pre-launch. So Chrome is reopen and you can see the language is changed in Spanish Latin America. So if you want to change it, so click on it, and if any other language, so click on it and change the language. So this is method how to change language in your Chrome browser. So thanks for watching this video, and if you not subscribed us, so go on my channel and subscribe us. So this is my channel, so click on it, subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching this video.